there are times, correct? What is established in what time, that gives the answer. This jaggery is not established from long way. Jaggery is established, the jaggery, importance of jaggery established after 1100. Rather, they didn't have any kind of sugar. They didn't know of sugar because there is no sodium hypochloride or any kind of decolorizing agents, right? So decolorizing agents were not there at that point of time. So jaggery ultimately is the only thing they used to eat. Jaggery has more amount of calcium, it has more amount of iron, sodium, even magnesium. So many ions jaggery has. An actual amount of sugar which it has, jaggery, is very less compared to the actual amount of sugar if you take. So, but if you are losing your weight, if you are on weight loss, you should not eat jaggery. You should not eat sugar, definitely, but you should not even eat jaggery. But if you want to have the differentiation, what should I eat? Because there is sugar, there is a jaggery, the jaggery is preferred. But jaggery also has a sugar. Okay. And the same, see, sugar, sucrose molecule is same. Sucrose molecule is not going to differ. Okay. People say, ऊपर से नमक डाला है, अंदर ही डाल दिया है. No. Sodium chloride molecule is sodium chloride molecule. It has its own effect. Unless and until it is engulfed with the fibers. That is the way. So jaggery has its own effect, but it has a better effect than sugar because sugar is only sucrose. There is nothing else. Jaggery has many things. So that is the difference.